So open your Gologin app, click on Create a new profile and name it. Now scroll down and click the part where it says Proxy. Once you click there, start pasting your proxy details in the right places. Paste your proxy IP address where it says Host, paste the port, and then the username and password. I have to warn you though, if you're still using free proxies with Gologin in 2026, you are wasting your time because you can be very easily tracked. For those who don't know how they can get high-quality, cheap residential proxies to use for any anti-detect browser, you can check the description of this video. I put there a couple of the best ones I found and that I personally use. Now click on Check Proxy to see if your proxy is active. Once that's good, save the profile and click on the Run button to launch it. From there, go on this website called hooer.net if your actual location matched the location of your proxy. If that's the case, you're to go, but if it isn't matching, just close the profile and recreate a new profile with a different type of proxy. If this video was helpful to you in any way, don't hesitate to like it and subscribe to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.